Hey guys, what's up? Dan here, call sign Headrush. This is my first ever Airsoft video. I'll be showing you guys my first playthrough at West Coast Airsoft Ranges last year. It's taken me a while to put the video together with travel, study, so finally sat down and did the editing for this thing. So hope you like it, and feel free to like, subscribe and all that sort of stuff, and enjoy the video. This is the place.
If you have not photo, do it now. Tuck all your shit into the back of the buggy. Can we record right here?
Okay, everyone, please in a circle, come together and have a hug. We're all friends here.
So the mission for this game was that our friendly helicopter had been shot down by insurgents, and these insurgents had been operating out of a village to the west and had sent a quick squad of theirs to go and intercept the fallen helo, and recovered one of our still alive friendly pilots and moved this pilot to their village to the west. So our starting point is the south end, and then the plan was to move up through to the gun placement also known as Diego, and then from there push west to recover our pilot.
You guys know what you're doing? Good, because I don't, because I wasn't listening. My job is just to shoot people.
Well, so like a muppet, I forgot to hit record before the game started, so I'm just going to throw you right into it.
Let's go.
You right?
Yeah.
Covering. Up, hit. Do I have to stay down?
Yeah, just.
Alright. So I have to get a medic to res me, eh?
Yeah, he's behind you. Just go with it.
Medic!
Say no, man.
Thank you. I gotta find my fucking sidearm. Hang on.
Bloody longer barrel, mate.
That's where it is. Thank you, man. Yeah, that's not my holster, so it's not really working for me. Alright. Hit. Medic.
After getting pinned down a few times and killed a couple of times, we managed to push up and regroup just in front of these shrubs to begin formulating a plan.
Is it worth sending a few guys for a sprint or what?
Not on this side.
Not on this side?
No.
I haven't been here before, the first time, but where are we going?
Just down this hill.
Down this hill, follow the path?
Yeah,
to the right.
until we get to that back bit there, and then we're going to head left.
Hit! Hit!
Problem guy is the guy that bunker. Yeah, with the helmet on.
Alright.
Line push. Walking line push.
Shall we?
Alright, walking line push, boys, let's go.
Yeah, he's hit!
Walking push, walk, walk.
Reloading.
Watch that side, bro.
Your right or my left?
You're right.
Roger.
5 meters down directly from me. Guy's sitting in a...
Okay. Got him. Got him. Who else is there?
Alright, let's go, boys. Push.
Move it. Up, hit. Hit. Got a medic.
Just down there.
Roger.
We're just healing each other.
Oh, yeah, makes sense. Utilise this time to index. But now I'm pretty much out in the open once I'm there. I'm alive. All right, I'm gonna fucking run it. Let's go. Wrong button.
There is a guy actually on the barrel. Just at the bottom where that second orange barrel is, there's one tucked away down on the grass there.
See him. I'm gonna go. Hang on. Yeah, I'm hit. It's worth a try.
So back into the game after being killed for the third time, just trying to push ourselves further north to that gun placement and really hitting a bit of resistance along the way.
I got you. Yeah, thank you. Let's move.
Back in.
Come in.
Shit, that was close. Just watch your head here, man. Just watch your head. I might come in there, actually, be easier, eh? Hang on.
You got taken, mate? Licking your toes, bro. Oh, see a guy behind that little
Where?
box on the far left, on the left hand side of the car. Just peeking on the left hand side of the box.
Roger.
Hit!
Someone got him.
Medic!
I doubt that was me.
Medic! Hit that! Look me in the f***ing eye, bro, and tell me I'm gonna be okay. Behind your car. In the boot of the car. Oh, friend, you behind your head.
Roger. Don't want to get the all round in the back.
On the dirt hole. I got the one down in front of you. I might go to the left of those bushes.
Yeah, go for it. I'm feeling. What do you reckon?
I guess sit down.
Where?
The metal, the first metal, right now. You see it?
Got him.
Alright, ready.
I'm sure one of those.
Nice, that goes down.
Got him. Got him. Good job.
Just give one more guy behind the house.
I'm on it. Pretty sure I got him already, but he's not going down. Oh, I got no ammo. I have to go back to the ute thing. Okay, let's.
This is my last mate.
I'm on my last. I don't even know what's left in this thing, but I haven't got f***ing much. All right. I might just double back and get some more ammo.
He just bought all the shit off Trade Me.
Well, this a buddy of mine gave me. This I got off Trade Me.
You bought that in the wrong mag pouch.
NZ DPMs.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. No, buddy that was in the Air Force gave me these.
Oh, okay. Oh, all the best people in the Air Force. I'm ex-Air Force myself.
Oh yeah.
I think
Royal.
I'm going to join the game now.
All right.
Yeah.
I look forward to shooting you in the back, mate. Are you on the Americans?
Oh, it might be, yeah.
Oh, well, I'll shoot you in a minute.
I'll see you on the beach.
All right, where are they? Come around.
So our guys managed to take the gun placement, and we've got some bad guys, some insurgents on the other side of that tree line. So one of the guys I met earlier, Jay, put me in his squad, and we were tasked with a mission to flank on the left-hand side, just to sort of stir up a bit of the insurgents, bring them back, so the rest of our guys can move forward.
All right, when you revive them, you're with me.
Roger.
Yeah, Michael.
Ready?
Yeah, ready, go. We're just gonna watch where they are.
Cool.
So just stay down low.
Cool. So we're doing a bit of recce.
Yeah, so I want to see where they're actually shooting from. So I can go far left there. Copy that. Right, let's move. Come on.
Then further on, basically on that tree line.
All right, my team, let's go. Tyler, go with me.
I was going to go all the way around.
No, everyone's on that side.
Watch out, things up ahead.
Dan,
Yeah.
let's go up to that barrier in front of us.
Right there. Yep. Move it.
Stay down.
Finally got him. Okay, where do we have to take this?
Just get them back to the tree line at the moment.
Okay.
No one well, right.
Where are we taking this thing?
Diego.
Where's Diego? The gun.
Behind you.
Roger, moving. Just in here.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Nice.
nice.
Got him.
There, bro. Oh.
All right, should we do some movement? What are you guys doing? Some loading?
No, we're just chilling, huh?
We're just bonking in the back.
Yeah, yeah.
pulling back.
Moving, moving, cover.
One guy behind that tree.
Oh, hit. Medic. Yeah, no, I wouldn't. He's got me from this side. I wouldn't do it.
So now that we've got the pilot back to a safer zone, we've got another pilot to recover in the village. So I'm moving with a few other guys, pushing left to try and secure that left flank.
All right, moving. Oh, shit. Moving. Friendly. You good?
Good on this side. There's
Okay.
one there.
I had to reload. You got me?
Yep.
Cool. Hit. Hit!
Oh, you hit.
I'm hit, man, yeah. Can do it.
So at this point in the game, we've retrieved the downed pilot from the village. So the rules have switched where the Marines are no longer able to push forward, but whenever they die, they have to go back to the last man standing. So essentially pushing back while the insurgents can push forward. So after quite a bit of fighting, they had pushed us back all the way through to Diego, and it's from there that we had our last stand. So after holding this spot for about 10 minutes, I ran out of ammo, went Winchester, so I had to double back to the four-wheeler to replenish my ammo.
Just break through them and then they finally get home, they're like, what the hell? I'm like, yes, give me BBs. Look how little I know. I should probably go help out the other guys. Yeah. Hang on, this thing I think is dead. No, it's still going. Oh shit, the dead guys!
Yeah, we gotta take the ones in the window.
We gotta grab the dead guys!
No! Not the human shields! I should say meat shields, because they're dead now.
So at this point of the day, the batteries are dead, the ammo's been spent, so we called it a day and said that Marines had won.
So that concludes my first day playing Airsoft, just leaving now. And yeah, had a bloody good time. The lads are real cool, real friendly. More than happy to share ideas and invite me to the next games, etc. So yeah, I think I'll come back, not sure when exactly, but yeah, had a blast, looking forward to the next one.